Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a video. I'd really appreciate it. Today we're diving deep into how you can build a $1 million stock portfolio. Yes, it sounds like a dream, but stick with me because this isn't just a dream. It's doable, and I'll show you how. Now, most people think you need a big inheritance or a magic wand to start raking in the big bucks with stocks. Well, spoiler alert, you don't. Many investors started from scratch. And today, well, let's just say I'm not on the ramen diet anymore. Let's start with the basics. Imagine you invest $1,000 in the market. With an average return of about 8%, yes, we're being conservative here. That might not look like $1 million just yet. But what if you keep investing $5,000 every year? With the magic of compounding, you could hit that $1 million mark in about 36 years. And if you can up that investment to $10,000 annually, you'd see your portfolio hit that $1 million mark in just 28 years. Now, I know what you're thinking. 28 years can feel like forever, right? But think of it this way. Time will pass anyway, so why not let it pass while you're building wealth? Remember, good things come to those who wait, or even better, to those who invest smart. Consistency is key in investing. It's not about timing the market, but time in the market that counts. By incrementally increasing your investments, reinvesting dividends, and staying committed, you turn the slow and steady race into a journey filled with financial growth and learning. But before you jump in, let's talk strategy. First up, kill that credit card debt. Why should you focus on eliminating high credit card debt first? Well, consider this. If you're paying 24% interest on your credit cards, while your investments are growing at an 8% annual rate, you're essentially running a financial race with weights tied to your ankles. It's like trying to fill a bathtub with the drain open. No matter how much water you add, you're losing most of it just as fast. Next, it's crucial to build up an emergency fund. Think of this fund as your financial safety net. It's there to catch you if unexpected expenses pop up. Whether it's a sudden medical bill, urgent car repairs, or even job loss, having this fund ensures that you won't have to dip into your investments prematurely, which can derail your long-term financial plans. Ideally, aim to save enough to cover at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This buffer will not only keep your investment strategy on track during turbulent times, but also give you peace of mind knowing that you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. Trust me, it's better to have cash ready than to sell your stocks at the worst time. And don't forget to learn the ropes. Know what a stock is, understand ETFs, get the hang of mutual funds, and figure out your brokerage and retirement accounts. Sounds like a lot? Well, how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. Now, for those who want to take a bit more control, consider some powerhouse stocks like Google, Apple, United Health, or Visa. These aren't just companies, they're institutions that stand the test of time. These companies are not just leaders in their respective fields, but they're also foundational to the global economy. Investing in such stable, well-established companies can offer both growth potential and a certain level of security during market fluctuations. All right, let's wrap this up. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or just want to share your investing journey. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips like turning $1 into 1,000, link in the description. Each video takes me about 6 to 7 hours to prepare, packed with research, market insights, and real-life experiences just for you. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's not just about money, it's about making your money work for you. See you next time.